as I was saying, yes, I got these headlights from Vette Lights on Facebook. They cost $1,280 for both pairs. That's $1,280. But I bought these on July 3rd. They were having a 4th of July sale, so I got for $1,088 instead. And they look pretty damn good compared to the stock headlights on the Corvette. I mean, the stock headlights on the C6 2013 Corvette convertible, I mean, they're okay, but these Morimoto headlights, they look a whole lot better, and they're pretty badass. I like how they kind of flash like police lights. I like that, but it's a pretty badass. Oh yeah, just in case y'all want to know too, you don't need no special modifications for these Morimoto C7 style headlights. They're just plug and play. All you do is just take out the stock ones and put in the new ones. You don't gotta like do nothing special. All you gotta do is just plug it into the old outlets on into your Corvette, and you'll be good. And this car is pretty fast too. Its top speed, it can go 206 miles an hour in 18 seconds. It's like super fucking fast. It's not even turbo supercharged. It's just a V8. And for those of you that are curious, you're probably not gonna believe me, but I have a friend on the police force. He raced me in his Dodge Charger on the secret road, and he couldn't keep up with my car, so I already know for a fact that it's definitely faster than police cars. And I've known him since elementary school, but yeah, it's that damn fast. Now, you can't get too cocky though. It's not gonna be able to like outrun no Lamborghini or no Ferrari, because that's a V10. This is a V8. Unless you put aftermarket supercharger up in here, or either an aftermarket twin turbo, then you'll be able to beat a Lamborghini or Ferrari, or a Porsche 911 or a Porsche Catera. But anyway, this is Albert Atlas. Y'all have a good day.